Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So I am Miss Lovely, if you guys don't already know, but I'm pretty sure you already know. And you guys, today is Sunday and it's just more of a chill. I'm getting a late start on my dinner. I've been really relaxing all day today and I have not gone grocery shopping. So these are just items that I already had in my refrigerator and in my pantry. So we're just gonna call this everything but the kitchen sink pasta. So I had a half a box of elbow noodles and a half a box of penne noodles. Y'all, I put them things together. Well, you'll see how I put everything together. But it actually turned out really, really good. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, then hey girl, hey, welcome. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Just sit back and relax as I prepare this everything under the kitchen sink pasta. All right, bye.
You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place, and without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, oh, oh. It's the things that you do, it's the things you do, baby. And it's the smile on your face, smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know we're in a better place, a better place. It's the things that you do, the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face, the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place, I'm in a better place.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter, bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees.
Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I gave my heart. You cannot care less, you were tearing me apart. Oh, I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Oh, convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah. So give me something, give me something, give me something. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, yeah. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, I'm running away from, yeah. Give me something. There's nothing that I can say or do, and it seems that words won't change a lot.
Alright, y'all, we are at a place called Cinnaholic, and I actually discovered this place watching Naya B's channel. So if you guys have not already subscribed, you guys go over there and check out Naya B. She has a YouTube channel, and she's doing really good. And her family came here a few weeks ago, and I saw her vlog, and I'm going here to try it out. So let's go see what it's like.
You don't feel me like I feel you, oh no. And I must confess that you don't touch me like I touch you. Never blush, baby, when I kiss you, but you don't. And I must confess that I wish I'd find someone new and forget about you. Forget about you, forget about you, forget about you, forget about you. There's only so much that we can save, like a storyline and a few cliches. When we break up, it's true that I'm making up is through. I don't wanna pass the buck, but we're in this
first place because you don't want me like I want you. You don't feel me like I feel you. Oh no. And I must confess that you don't touch me like I touch you. Never blush, baby, when I kiss you. You don't. And I must confess that I wish I'll find someone new. You're the sweetest love I ever had.
Strawberry with cream cheese. That's what it looks like right here. And what is yours? Cream brulee. Creme brulee. And that's what that is right there. Right there, right? Okay. It looks pretty good. Oh, and then of course I got a Sprite to drink, and then hubby got some coffee.
Never flash me when I kiss you. You don't. And I must confess that I wish I'll find someone new and forget about you.
Going in for the kills. Yes, good. And what's those white things? Are those almonds? Is it any good? Yeah. These fresh strawberries is the business with this. It's like a perfect combination. The strawberry and the cream cheese. You want to taste it? Yeah. Anything like that. Yeah. That seems like your up your speed with the nuts and the raspberry. I should ask for some extra strawberries. It's really good. Something make you go into a diabetic coma though. This is something make you go into a diabetic coma. So babe, give me your synopsis or give me your review on it. Very different, right? And how much we end up paying for everything? Okay, so we got the 2 cinnamon rolls. Babe got a coffee, and I got the Sprite right here. You said it was all full. You said 15 bucks? Okay, 15 bucks not bad. It's not good for